Hi everyone, this is Mayank and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll discuss about why everything is falling apart. Like the stock market is falling, the crypto market is falling, and everything else is falling apart, right? In terms of financial market. So we'll discuss in detail why these things are happening. Basically, why stock market is falling, and then we'll discuss why crypto has fallen and what is the next step what we can take in terms to save our investment or earn more money in this falling market. I'll share also at the end of the video what I'm going to do. Okay, so watch till the end of the video to get all the understanding regarding why everything's happening and what we're gonna do, everything else. But if you do all these things also, it's a clear disclaimer that this is not my recommendation, this is not my suggestion that you do this, you do that. This is my personal opinion. What I am doing, you can follow that if you wish to, or you can research yourself based on that. You can decide what you want to do or what you should not do, basically. So don't at any point in time consider this video as any kind of a recommendation. Okay, I'm just a YouTube guy who creates a video on YouTube. I don't have any kind of authority to suggest you something. I'm not an advisor in any form. I'm just a normal IT guy with some businesses on the side. That's it. So let's jump into important factors right now. So this thing has happened. So market has fallen around 1667 total. So it's end of the almost closing market right now. This almost 330 right now. Why this is happening? That market is falling around 1500 points in a day and 6500 overall in the last, you can say, probably 3 to 4 sessions, right? This is happening because of a lot of reasons. This We've got 5 reasons what I can tell you right now. One of that, the main reason is because of tapering. So tapering is a term which given when the Fed Reserve trying to push the liquid out of the system. Okay, so basically right now because of inflation, what happening, the inflation is at 40 years high in terms of US inflation, right? So for that, to control that, to reduce the inflation, what the Fed is trying to do, the Fed is trying to increase the interest rate. So you can see this article over here. Let it load. So basically what they're trying to do is trying to increase the interest rate so that liquid is less in the market and inflation comes down slowly over the time. So they tried to plan here Fed to raise 3 times this year to tame unruly inflation. So they're going to raise interest rate 3 times in this total 2022 year so that they control the inflation. Why they are doing this? There's a lot of things written over there. But if you see one particular paragraph which says everything about it, encouraged by apparent lower severity of the Omicron variant, governments and central banks around the world, it's not about US, it's around the world, are attempting to push their economics back into some version of normality. Fed chairperson Jerome Powell said recently he sees an economy, this is something crap, he sees an economy that functions right through these waves of COVID-19. So basically what these people, influential people mean is that we have to live with COVID. They are saying that you will not get anything additional facilities from us, from the financials, like for example, here is the Fed that will not provide any other incentives to you only because of COVID. We think is like we miss they think that COVID we have is becoming normal and we have to learn to stay with COVID. So whatever facilities they provided because of COVID, reduce the interest rate, started buying private bonds, which they're not supposed to buy, but they started buying private bonds and putting money in the market, in the liquidity in the market. So they will stop all these things and they are saying that okay, boss, we are done. Right now, you live your life as you were living before COVID. We'll create the system as it was before COVID, and everything else, whatever happened in the past around 2 years, everything is gonna stop from our end, and things will become as normal. So when they are saying this, that means whatever liquidity comes into market because of it, people were investing a lot in stocks, crypto, and all. You can see data from Zerodha, for example, data from Coinbase, or data from service like Vault and all came into picture, right? So these all came in the picture because of a lot of liquidity in the market. People have got a lot of money, interest rate reduced, people started buying flats, people started investing in lands, people started investing in crypto, stock, everything, because there's a lot of liquidity in the market, interest rates are all time low, and people started investing. Now government want to reduce that because the inflation has increased. How interest rates are related to inflation, if you don't understand this part and if you think that I should create a video on that, how these two things are related, let me in the comment section. I'll create a video on this, like create the video to make you understand how these two things are related, why reduction in interest rate push the inflation high, why if the interest rate is increased, how inflation will be controlled. So that relation, based on that, create a video. Let me in the comment section if you're interested in that part. This is one major reason. Like COVID and all, everything is secondary right now because Omicron. Yes, I'm not saying it's not COVID. People are suffering. A lot of people I know which are very close to me, they are suffering COVID, and some of them are in critical condition also because of this Omicron variant or some other variant, but basically because of COVID. So COVID is there. We should not ignore that. But in a way, I agree to these people that we have to learn to live with COVID. We can't be inside the room always. We have to take precautions. We have to take care of ourselves. We have to learn these things. We have to eventually go out, but we have to go out with caution. We have to do the things what we were doing, but we have to do with caution. Life will change a bit, but we have to live with it as I told. Okay. But yeah, saying that whatever media person or some person next to you, next who lives next to you says that okay, Omicron is nothing, बस बुखार होता है, थोड़ा सर्दी होता है, and things are normal. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. It is a serious thing. If, unless not people at your house or people you know suffer, you will not take it seriously. I know people who are suffering COVID and who are some of them are seriously suffering COVID. This is real. Stay away from this thing at all. I'll not use this word, but still away from this stupid thing. This is for real. This is one major reason. Second reason, what I think is we are the reason. Okay. When I say we are the reason, our expectation for market is so high that whenever the results are not as we expect, markets start falling. Whenever the results are not as some experts think, the markets start falling. First thing we need to understand is that the stock market rallied at an unprecedented way that was not supposed to. Some stocks moved so fast that they were not supposed to move. Their fundamentals are not intact. Their fundamentals are not so good or not reflective of the price. So there has to be a correction. Today or tomorrow it has to come. It's just it has come now. People are not expecting it to come now, but people who understand the market, people who understand the thesis behind it, they know that this is coming. So either they put their money from this kind of stock, some other safe bet, or they knew they are coming and they planned in that way. But things were not always looking very dicey, and we were expecting it. People like me were expecting that this is going to happen, at least in the stock market, not in the crypto. The stock market. Right now, I'm talking about only stock market. Crypto will start in a couple of minutes, but this is only about stock market. I'll repeat two primary reasons. First thing, Fed is increasing interest rate. Second thing, our expectation. We are the reason why it's falling so much. Third thing is that because of global economics, the production in China and China is also going through lockdown. Then shipping thing also become an issue. Like shipments were not coming on time and everything. There's a blockage on the ship route because the supply chain entire got interrupted. When supply chain got interrupted, the price of things started increasing, and also the raw materials of price for factories were producing the suppose the car company which manufactures car. The semiconductor shortage happened. The raw materials price got increased. So many things came into picture. Overall, pushing the price or lowering the margins. So in both the cases, the stock market their earnings doesn't reflect the price what they are trading right now. Because of this, its entire thing started falling. Since we talk about falling, one more point I tell you right now, market will fall further if if and only if LIC's IPO becomes successful. Now, I have a reason to say that it's very maybe it's a bold statement again, but my personal understanding says market will it may come back little up for few days, but ideally it should fall once the LIC IPO becomes successful because it's a huge IPO and there's a reason behind it. So if you want to understand why I'm saying LIC IPO will lead to market fall, let me know in the comment section. I'll explain my logic. I might go wrong, I might be right, but this is my personal logic. I have understanding for that. If you are think that if you want to listen about that, let me know in the comment section. I'll create a video on that also. This was about stock market. Let's move to crypto. Why I moved to crypto again? Because investing money in both the stock market and crypto. And the moment I started investing in crypto market started falling badly from there. So you can say that it's my bad luck, or I'll say that it has to happen, so it happened. It's something like that. Crypto is always a very risky asset. You cannot guarantee anything in crypto. No matter how much fundamental analysis you do, still you will fail at crypto because this is not 100% of fundamental. This is a lot of speculation, lot of things which we can't control at all. So crypto is already a very risky asset. I have invested in that with the mindset that okay, I don't need that money at all right now. I might need it after 2 years, 3 years, or 1 years. And the cryptos which I bought are good. And I will say they're not shitty coins. They are good coins. They have some story behind them. They have fundamentals. They have a technology which is backing their potential. So I have invested only in those cryptos. If you are interested in watching what cryptos I bought, I created the first crypto video of mine. You can go back. I'll link in the description. I'll give link to the cards also somewhere left, right. You can click on that and you can watch that video also. This was the first and only video so far on crypto. I'll be doing one more video later in the day or some maybe day after tomorrow, I believe, where I'll discuss about the crypto also in detail. Some other cryptos what I bought. I bought one more crypto today, okay, in the morning. So I'll put that details also in the next video. Let's jump into the crypto market right now. Why crypto is falling? So one very good reason of crypto falling, I already gave you this particular thing: Fed raising interest rates 3 times this year, because of which liquidity is sucking getting out of the market, and this is crypto is also falling. One thing. Second thing, this guy, Russia proposes ban on crypto mining also, and crypto as a payment also. Since Russia is the third largest market for crypto mining, because of this ban, Russia proposes ban on use and mining of cryptocurrencies. The market is falling like anything. It's a free fall. I'll show you that also. It's a free fall. It's continuously falling. And it's not like only Bitcoin is falling or only Ethereum is falling. And suppose Bitcoin and Ethereum are strong coins, they're there. Other altcoins are falling like Solana or Matic. So basically Polygon, or you can say Axie Infinity, or you can say a lot of things are there. Okay. So all things, the Alice is falling. Not like that. Every phantom is falling. Not like that. Everything is falling. It's a free fall for everyone. Okay, and the reasons are same for everyone. First, I told you Fed. Second is the Russia proposal, and third thing is that people are becoming bit cautious now trading in crypto. So whoever invested their money, so that tomorrow they will stay for long investment and all, and they suddenly see that okay, people have started selling off, so they also pulling out their money from the market. So this is also one of the things that happening in the market. So basically, three things are happening in the crypto space, and that is creating a wreckage in the crypto market. I'll show you one more thing to highlight what kind of wreckage had happened in the market. If you are following crypto, you might understand this already, but if you don't follow the crypto market, I'll show you the impact of it, what damage has been done. Okay, just to show you. So this is the chart of entire crypto market cap. So it's not about Bitcoin, it's not about Ether, it's not about any coins, it's total cryptocurrency market cap, what happened. So I'll just give a scale of only 2 years. So this is 2013. I'll change it to 2020. So just to give you what happened. So I'll just 2020. Is there a 2020? So this is 2020. I'll start from Jan only. Okay, let's suppose this date only. So let's see. So this was the market cap. It was around $370 million and started moving up till this time it reached here. It's around 12th May of 2021. It was consistently going up. The market cap was close to around 2.5 trillion dollars. It came down, and again it was moving up, and it crossed previous high. The market cap reached almost $3 trillion in the month of November. So from $370 million, it reached $3 trillion. That's almost 8x. The entire crypto market moved 8x. And now from that point of November 8th November, $3 trillion market cap, it came crashing down till here. Understandable to a point people were okay, fine, it's falling. So nearly $2 trillion, and then from $2 trillion, it's fall like a sharp knife, and now it's close to $1.5 trillion. Even it's less than that, it's $1.45 trillion. It's falling like a free falling knife. Whoever trying to catch that knife now, it might backfire. My personal, if you ask me honestly, I've already invested in stock market, in the crypto market, and what I'm trying to do right now. See, two things you can do. You can either leave the market. If you are scared of this, you can leave the market. So the chart is, you understood the chart, right? So I'll full the screen. I'll come back to the screen. So what we can do right now, if you're scared of crypto market, and if you lost a lot of money, you're fine with losing that money and scared of it, leave the market and go away. But if you are someone who believing this narrative of crypto as a currency is a different thing. Blockchain as a utility is a different thing. Okay, so there are two things basically. So if you believe this narrative that blockchain and technologies which are being platforms which are created on top of blockchain, they are going to come as a utility, then you can stay in the market. But if you don't understand anything, you should not be in crypto first thing first. And second thing, if you are scared of it, if you think that you are losing money might, and entire crypto market can go over in a day. So if your loss is, you can bear this loss, take the loss and leave the market. And if not, if you believe the narrative, then the best thing you can do, what I am going to do, the thought for the video, what you should do, what I am doing, I am trying to average out my investment in the crypto market. So already made some amount of investment. Now things are falling like anything. So every time it falls more than 5%, 10 right now I'm doing 10%. So everything is falling in the range of 5 to 10%. I am buying a small quantity in that particular whichever I bought basically. So I bought Ethereum, I bought Matic, so Polygon, I bought Solana, then I bought Axie Infinity. Okay, so these things I bought Cardano also. So I'm trying to average out in this particular investments whichever I made, so that my overall price becomes little less. So that today or tomorrow I am quite sure this thing will be bounce back from here. So when bounce back happens, I can be more profitable in this crypto market. So I firmly believe the market. What I understood my research says, and the kind of token which I invested, they are very strong fundamentally, so they will bounce back. So this is what I am doing. I am trying to average out with every big fall in the market right now. Nobody knows. I don't know where this fall gonna stop. But every big fall is an opportunity for me right now, and I'm taking full advantage of that particular opportunity. It's up to you what you want to do. Whether you want to invest, whether you want to leave it as it is, whether you want to run away with the money, whatever is left out with you. It's completely up to you. Don't. I'm not saying do what I'm doing right now. You can decide what to do, what not to do. So this is my personal opinion. Just to show you one thing, like to make it more clear, my personal, this is a base which I'm trying to look. So base is around 1.2 trillion dollar market cap is something which I'm looking as a base. So right now is 1.4. The moment if it crosses 1.2 trillion dollar market cap, I will be little I will say not scared of, but I'll be like, I don't have a direction from where it will go further till what point in time. But like till what market cap, this is something which is my first resistance, what I'm thinking. Support, I'll say first support as I'm thinking. In terms of overall market, I'm not saying Bitcoin or Ether, I'm saying overall market cap, sentiment of people, what people are going to do. And this is the biggest like support for me. If it falls below that, then I think we don't know where it will stop. Then maybe it will go for 370 million dollar kind of thing only, billion dollars. So it's only billion-dollar kind of market cap only. But 1.2 is my first support, and around 1 950 and 1 trillion dollar is my first support, which I'm thinking. Let's see how the market falls. Let's see where it goes and what what happens in the market. But for me, this is my personal gameplay. I'll say what I'm trying to play. My personal playbook in terms of investment. I've not sold any investment for my share market till now. I've not sold any investment for my crypto. Also, I cannot. We are losing money on everything basically. So I'm not going to sell anything. Stocks I'm profitable in almost all the stocks which I invest except Shakti Pump. But I'm not going to sell Shakti Pump also. I'm going to sell any others also. So this was the video. It's just one stretch video. It's kind of a live session video. I should go live on YouTube rather than recording videos because anyway I don't edit them, right? So let me know in the comment section how you think about video, any feedback, any comments, and share the video with your friends. Like the video if you think it's helpful, and help me reach out to more and more people. And thank you so much for watching. Stay happy, stay safe.